Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you is isinwheel S9Pro eScooter app setup and pairing tutorial. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So there are a number of things here that you need to do in order for you to set up and start the pairing process here. So first is you want to charge your scooter first. Now before anything here, fully charge your isinwheel S9 Pro, and a fully battery ensures the scooter setups correctly and prevents any power related hiccups during the pairing process. Next is you want to download the isinwheel app. Now grab your smartphone here, download the wheel app. On iPhone, you want to head to App Store, and on Android devices, you want to go and open up Google Play Store. Now search for wheel app and buy isinwheel here and install it. Now from then on, you want to go enable Bluetooth and turn on your scooter. So turn on your scooter during the power, using the power button here, and then enable Bluetooth on your phone and make sure it's visible and discoverable. This makes your phone ready to connect with the scooter. Now, you want to pair your scooter in the app. Now open the wheel app here. It'll search for nearby devices, look for your S9 Pro in the list, tap to connect, and then if asked, enter the pin usually found in the scooter's manual. So you may want to check that. And also, if you're having some problems here, like for example, if your scooter doesn't show up in the list, make sure the Bluetooth is still on and try pressing the power button on your scooter 8 times. This actually resets the Bluetooth pairing mode, and you should hear 2 beeps here. That means pairing mode is reset. Now you want to reopen the app here and scan again and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to end of the inspo. Thank you for watching.